I am going to attempt to get root on the Kioptrix level 1 machine. I have both virtual machines up and running, the Kioptrix level 1 machine and my Kali machine on my Cyber Home Lab. So what I'm going to try to do is get root on the Kioptrix machine. So let's enlarge this so we can see what we're doing. I do not know the current IP for the Kioptrix, so I'm going to find out what's on my network. We're going to use net discover and then -R for range, and then my Cyber Home Lab is 10.0.2 with 24 subnet. I'll hit enter. You must be root. So up arrow, Control A, sudo, enter the password. All right. So now it's going to scan. And these are the only 3 machines currently on my thing right now. Well, that are running. So I know it's not 2 and I know it's not 3. So it's going to be the 10.0.2.9. So we're going to Control C this. And then we're going to go nmap -sc -sv 10.0.2.9. All right. What that is doing is the SC will tell nmap to use default scripts, and the SV will give me the version information for the services that are currently running. We let this run, and so on the nmap scan, we see port 2280, 111, 139, 443, and 32768. Those ports are currently open. However, the Samba did not give us a version, and that's kind of what I'm going to go look at, because there seems to be a lot of vulnerabilities when it comes to that. So I'm sure we can possibly try to use that as an avenue of approach. So we are going to bring this up, bring it bigger. I'm going to go into Metasploit, MSF console, to see if we can search for something that will give us the Samba version. All right, so let's go search SMB for Samba version. All right, there's only one module available, so we are going to go use 0. We're going to do show options. Okay, it's our host is required. So we're going to set our hosts to our target machine, which is 10.0.2.9. We are going to run it. Okay, so now you see that the Samba 2.2.1a, we did get a version using that. So we are going to go to Firefox, go to Google, and then Samba 2.2.1a exploit. So right off the bat, we see that the Rapid 7 has the trans to open overflow as the main exploit. So we'll see what that opens. And then you can click on it and it'll explain the description of it. But, you know, all I needed was the name, trans to open. So we are going to go to back to Metasploit. We are going to search trans to open. And on this, we see there's a few modules. We're going to go with exploit 1, module 1, because it is a Linux based exploit. So we are going to use 1. No payload configured, so we're going to actually set the payload to generic shell reverse TCP, and that should give us a reverse shell. All right, now we are going to show options. Scroll up and see. So we need to set the R hosts again, as we did in the other one. So we are going to set R hosts to 10.0.2.9, our target machine. We're going to hit enter. You can see that it was added. And now we are going to run the exploit. As you can see, it is starting to work. It's trying reverse address. And then now we are starting to see a shell being generated. And that is done. So I'm pretty sure we are in the shell. Let's go ahead and test it by using the command who am I for it to tell me who I am. And we are root. We are in the Kioptrix machine as root. So I have successfully achieved my goal of getting root on the Kioptrix level 1 machine